quiz. Okay, young children. So the
In 2021,
mathematics question.
our ministry set a critical aim
Roll the dice.
to accelerate innovation and digital skills among young children through the use of Raspberry Pi. This low-cost credit card-sized computer, which plugs into a computer monitor, enables students to explore computing and learn programming languages such as Scratch and Python. We have provided over 9,000 Raspberry Pi sets, complete with monitors, keyboards, and mice to primary schools throughout Sarawak. I don't know whether it's mice or mouses.
Should be mouse.
Should be mouses. It's not necessarily the mice, the animal. This initiative supports our goal of promoting STEM and ICT education in our schools. In 2022, we began training teachers across Sarawak, partnering with institutions like Swinburne, UTS, Curtin, and RIAM. We also reach out to rural schools and TPDs. Last year, we trained over 1,300 teachers, PPD staff, and school computer technicians, exceeding our promise of training at least 1,265 teachers in 2022. This year, Level D will focus on practical applications of Raspberry Pi, emphasizing project-based learning to foster group projects in classroom. I hope that with the completion of Level D, you become experts in Raspberry Pi, pioneering coding and programming education for our students in Sarawak. Use the Python, not the ular. And scratch anything you like, but not like the scribbles of Chakarayam.